What's up, YouTube? It's your girl, Shania, back again with another video. You can tell for that title and that thunder what I'm going to be doing for today's video. I'm going to be unboxing my iPhone 13 Pro Max. So if you're new to my channel, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and join my channel. And if you're already, part of my family, welcome back. So, we had a little package that came in. I was at work and, they texted me. I was like, okay. But I already opened it. My grandma opened it because it said her name on here instead of my name. Because of the count on Verizon. It's got Verizon. But yeah, so, it's the iPhone 13 Pro Max. The Sierra Blue 256 gigabyte. Let me stop. And then hurry, poo, y'all. But yeah, y'all. So okay, what's in the box is little stickers. I don't know what they call this new charger, because I don't want to say USB. Y'all gonna be coming in the comments like, that's not USB, Shania, Naya, whatever y'all call me. So I'm just gonna say, came with a charger. Don't have the block, but already have the block. And I already ordered my case off of Amazon. So yeah, this is the clear case I got on Amazon. Cute little silver case. We're gonna put that on there, because I already put the screen protector on there and a little, the camera screen protector, and I put my screen protector already on there. And I already, I'm sorry that y'all could have seen me, set up my phone, but I had transferred everything because it took a long time for me to transfer everything. So yeah, y'all. So now, oh my God, I'm trying to figure out what's going on my other phone. But yeah, I had an 11, so you already know, big upgrade, because I like big phones. So I was like, okay, let's go back to the big phone, because I had it 7 plus or 8 plus, I don't know. Don't mind my if I'm looking a little rough. I got off work. So yeah, but yeah, let's compare the phones. I'm gonna take the case off. I'm sorry, I don't know why I put the case on. Sugar. But yeah, let's compare the phones. So as you see that, the 13 is it's thin, and the 11 is, just plain old flat, and it's smaller here. But yeah, so we gonna go ahead, all my stuff is downloading. So we're gonna go ahead, I'm gonna turn my screen recorder on so y'all can see the camera quality and stuff. Okay, so it says choose style. Ooh, we could choose. Oh, okay. Phone graphics down. Ooh, we could use so many. Oh my God. I don't know which one. We'll use standard. Ooh, y'all saw all my whole Skittles over here. Hold on. I forgot this phone is set up like my old phone. Hold on, y'all. Okay, try again. Screen record. Now, go to, okay, here we go. Okay. I'm gonna have that little area right there for y'all to see. Okay, this is cute. That's the original. I don't know how oh, it's right there. Oh, that's just camera. But don't you supposed to change it to the mode or whatever? I'm still getting used to this phone, y'all. Don't mind me. It's gonna take me a little while. But yeah, the camera quality is a plus. I could say that. Yeah. I'm gonna start with that one. Let me show y'all the 11 quality. So let me go ahead, wipe my camera down, because they've been you know, transfer my stuff. And that's that one. Like, y'all see that one? So yeah, saw the comparison to the phones and 11 and the So yeah, my next video is gonna be what's on my iPhone 13 Pro Max. I'm going to, you know, let y'all see what's on my phone, and you know, I'm gonna customize it and everything, all that good stuff. But yeah, I'm gonna show you this other case that I got for in this video. But it's the other case I got from a mall. Got my working. Let's put this case back on. But yes, y'all, I think I'm loving it. Like, she's adorable. Like I miss having a big phone. Like, and then but yeah, I gotta take this. I gotta erase everything off this phone. Take it back because I traded in. So yeah, I'm gonna have to say deuces to this phone. It's been real. But yeah, y'all, that's all for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this little quick unboxing and set up my phone. So yeah, y'all didn't have to see the whole setup thing because I was not gonna set up as a new iPhone. I want all my stuff to be on my phone. So yeah, guys, thank you for watching. And yes, the girl's happy. The girl got her new phone. I don't have to worry about no phone. I'm good. I'm Gucci. I'm straight. But anyway, enough talking. Enough chit-chatting. Yeah, enough chit-chatting. But yes, I'm glad you enjoyed this video. Make sure you give this video a big thumbs up. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And subscribe to my channel. Okay, and please share my channel. Please, please. I really appreciate it. A lot. But yeah, y'all, enough talking, enough chatting. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you guys enjoyed it and like it. And I hope you know, purchase an iPhone 13 Pro Max and, you know, get that better camera quality. But yes, thanks for watching my video. And yeah, see you in the guys' next video. Bye. Peace. Love you guys.